This is my well pressure switch that stopped working. Stick around and I'll show you what causes this problem 90% of the time and how to fix it. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name's Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. First, go to your circuit breaker and turn off the power to your pressure switch. Then take a 5/8 socket and remove the nut on the top of the pressure switch cover. Next, take a multimeter and verify that there's no power to the pressure switch. Typically, the switch runs on 220 volts, so it can kill you. So if you're not comfortable doing this, hire a professional to do this. Then take a look at your contacts on the pressure switch and make sure that there's no debris in between the contacts. Basically, what happens a lot of times is you get some kind of debris in between the contacts of the pressure switch and the pressure switch stops working. In my case, I had a few ants that got fried in between the contacts and that was it. You can try to play with the contacts and see if that helps. Let's say if something falls out, or you can take a piece of sandpaper or a file and file the contacts down and make sure that all the debris is out of the way. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.